Welcome to another tutorial by Optical Capital, ladies and gentlemen. As I always say, this is where we envision the price movement before the move occurs, okay? So this is where we are going to look what the price will do when it gets to a certain key zones or a certain key level, okay? So this strategy, guys, is for boom and crash. This is for boom and crash, only boom and crash, okay? You use this for boom and crash. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, we are going to add our indicators. On the main chart, we are going to add commodity channel index, CCI. It's an oscillator, okay? The period is 14, applied to typical price, style 2 pixel, color black. You can change this color of the CCI to any color of your choice, as long as it's different from your screen background color, okay? Then you are going to click done, okay? Then we have this, you see, this is the CCI. Then we are going to add what? We are going to add the moving average. On this, on indicator window 1, we are going to add the moving average, okay? Period is 10, shift is 0, method simple, apply to close, style 3 pixel. This color has to be different from the color of the CCI, okay? Remember, our CCI is black and our moving average is going to be red, okay? Then we are going to click done. Then still on this indicator window, we are going to add another indicator, the last one, Bill Williams Market Facilitation Index, okay? So volume tick, line width 4 pixel, MFI up, volume up is green. MFI down, volume down is black. MFI up, volume down is black. MFI down, volume up is green, okay? So these are the only indicators that we are going to add. Then we are going to click done, okay? So MFI will just measure the strength or the weakness behind price movement, okay? So these are our indicators. Then we are going to click done. Now I have these indicators. I'll go to, I know most people, they like to trade this looking at 1 minute time frame, which is very risky because 1 minute is just way too small, okay? You need to look at, or you need to analyze the price from higher time frame, guys, okay? You need to analyze price from at least 1 hour or 4 hours. That's what you need to do. 1 minute, you are not going to make it in trading if you are going to analyze price, look at the 1 minute chart or 1 minute time frame, okay? So now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for this red moving average to cross this black CCI. This black line, remember, is the commodity channel index line, okay? We are waiting for this cross above 100, okay? This is for crash, right? Then we are going to sell, okay? If this was for boom, what were you going to do? If it was for boom, it was going to be the opposite. We are going to look for a cross below negative 100. But at this particular time, I'm looking at this, okay? Okay, you see, when you get a cross above, like here, when you get this cross here, you see, this way you are going to short this, and then you are going to get a spike. When you get a spike, guys, if this line, this vertical line below here, the market facilitation index line is black, it shows you, okay, there is a strength of this, okay? So remember I said the market facilitation index measures the strength of a trend, okay? So you get a black line, you can just wait a bit longer and see, okay, no, I'm going to get another spike or I'm going to get another drop since this is crash. So these are drops. For boom is spikes, okay? So if you get the black one, you know another spike is coming, okay? Or this strength, okay? You see. If you get a green one like this small one just shows you the spikes have ended. There is no spike that will come anytime soon, okay? But this is not how I want you guys to look at this, okay? Because if you are going to analyze this boom and crash using 1 minute, the chances of making profit are very slim, okay? Let's go and check other. This was for crash, right? Let's go to boom. You see, For boom is the opposite. We are looking for a cross where below this negative 100, you get this cross, you get a spike. Okay, you get this cross, you get a spike. Okay, you get this cross, you get a spike. But this is not how I want you guys to look at this. Okay, let's go to the one that I'm currently in. Okay, I'm on crash 1000. Let's go to crash 1000. This is the position that I opened just a while ago. Okay, so guys, the first thing that you have to do, you are going to go to your higher time frame, like 1 hour. Okay, you are going to 1 hour and analyze the price from 1 hour, or you are going to go to 4 hours like this, guys. Okay, you are going to go to 4 hours. If you can see this clearly, let me make this more clearly so that it can be visible to you guys. Okay, you see that was my what? This zone. This is my resistance zone, and this is crash, guys. So the reason you are seeing this entry up here is because I analyzed that, okay, once the price get to this zone, this is where I'm going to have a what? I'm going to have an opportunity to short this. Okay, you see where my entry said. Let me remove this rectangle. Okay, let me make it the color of the screen so that you can see where my entry is. Look at my entry, guys. Okay, so for this boom and crash, to make money in boom and crash, guys, you need to analyze price from higher time frames. Okay, so the higher time frame is going to help you to mark your support and your resistance, and the only thing that you are going to do, you are going to wait for the price to reach this level. Then that's when we are going to look for what? For an entry using this indicator, using the lower time frames now. Okay, if I can show you this is how I analyze this morning. Okay, look at this. You see, this is how I analyzed this. Okay, that okay, this price is going up on what? On higher time frame. Okay, now I have marked my resistance. Okay, after marking my resistance, this was my entry. You see, this was the entry that I'm going to make. You see, and my take profit is just going to be above take profit 1. Okay, then I'm going to see what the price is going to do. Okay, this is how you need to trade these things, guys. If you are going to use 1 minute, you are not going to make money. Even 5 minutes is way too little. It's just way too small. Okay, see this on 1 minute. You see how the price is moving. This is too choppy, but you need to go to at least 1 hour. On 1 hour, you can see this rejection candles. Okay, see this rejection candle. See this one. See how big they are. Okay, on 30 minutes. On 1 hour, come to 1 hour and see. See how big this is. This is bearish engulfing. You see how long it is. So this is how you are going to trade boom and crash, guys. Also, another thing, always add this, guys. Always add the relative strength index. Okay, RSI, guys, it helps because it can show you what the price is doing from higher time frame. Okay, let me do this. You see what this is doing? See, this price is on equal highs, but look at this. Is it equal highs here? No, you don't get an equal high. Look at this. From this point up here to here, what do you see, guys? You see that there is a what? There is an uptrend. That price was going up. Okay, but is the RSI doing the same here? No, it's not. The RSI is going where? It's going down. Okay, so which is a what? In the last tutorial, I talked about divergence, guys. Okay, can you see this? Can you see what the price was doing here? Okay, from here to here, the price is doing what? The price is going up like this, guys. Okay, and what is our RSI doing? Our RSI is doing what? The opposite. Our RSI is doing the opposite of that. Okay, which is a what? Which is a divergence, guys. Once you get this divergence, it's also another confirmation that this price is going to reverse. Okay, you get RSI divergence, it's a reversal, okay? It's a reversal. And this is happening where? On a key zone, which is our resistance level on higher time frame, okay? If we come to our indicator on this time frame, what was happening here? We have the indicator, this moving average crossing the CCI above 100, okay? Now you are certified that, okay, this price is going to reverse. That's when you are going to place an entry, guys, okay? Once you are certified that this price is going to reverse. Thank you, guys. This is the strategy I wanted to share with you. But please don't use this on 1 minute, 5 minutes. First, you need to analyze the price from higher time frame. Then you go to lower time frames so that you can have an edge. Okay. A strategy on its own is not that effective. Okay. The strategy has to be applicable in certain key zones. Okay. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in another tutorial and happy Friday.